Yo, quick update, okay? I'll be doing my videos earlier and at a consistent time next week, alright? A lot going on. I've just moved to a new place and there's a lot going on. So anyway, back to the charts. AUDUSD, okay? Currently I'm looking for a sell in this area. It's as simple as that. We have a distribution, we've got price like this, yeah? Right. You see that's a free wave move, that's corrective. Okay. Um, Not to say we can't be bullish, okay? This I'm not aiming for the low yet, at least not yet anyway. Um, but what I am looking for during the news is this, okay? I get that, I sell, and I'm looking for it to at least come into here. But we'll see if we get an accumulation here. Yeah, we probably will, but we could come into another supply zone and do the same. Don't know yet. I just don't know yet. I'm not gonna go too deep. I want to cover everything. I want to sort out a few things. But yeah, clear distribution zone here. Smash through all the lows, make a new low. Okay. Um, I do think ultimately we're bullish though, so I'm not expecting that low. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this low got taken, but if this low got taken, I don't know. I don't know. Currently, we're in this area and we've got unmitigated supply zone with an imbalance marked out in white. Okay, what I can say I don't expect is for price to come and take out this high. If it takes out this high, if I'm talking about today, yeah, if it takes out this high today, I still would be looking for a sell. I wouldn't jump on this to the upside. Okay, I'd still be looking for a sell. Or I'd just be leaving it alone, but probably a sell because maybe this area would get hit. So here, the very last one before you take out the high. So after distributed here and came down, got a little redistribution and formation, breakdown. Okay, taking out this really jeopardizes the downtrend, especially if you take out here this too. Okay, I'm not sure whether that three should be here or here. Same. So yeah, looking for distribution here. This does look impulsive. Okay, so it's possibly we're just waiting for it. We're just selling the two wave. It's possible this market does a wicked drop on us, yeah, and it's possible that the market, when the news hits, could just go, yeah, give us the quickest move down and then quickly go up, catching everybody off guard. Be keep your eyes out open for that. Okay, this looks impulsive. Currently, you want to see a three-wave move down. Okay, but these zigzags can just come down sharp and go. Yeah, especially during news. Often happens. Okay, like another thing they like to do during news is expanded flats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could get this. Sorry, we could get this. So 5. Yeah, we go A, B, C, up. We could get that. Okay. But the next move, in my point of view, is to the downside, and it is from here. Somewhere in here, I'm looking for a sell to potentially give us a two wave. Also, it's not impossible that we just go and take out the lows. That is also possible. Oh, well, if I'm honest, it's not what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for it to take out this low, and I'm not looking for it to take this high for a move down. And if I'm wrong, I won't enter. So yeah, I'm looking for distribution. I need to see, like for argument's sake, divergence over here, which it looks like it's forming. Okay, so preferably I want to see price take out. Okay. Our divergence is here, it's local. So I want to see price take out this high here, of course. I do not want to see the TDI get above here. If that happens, that's a sign, a potential sign of bullishness. Okay, and that's fine. It can take that out, and then we drop. And after, I we'll be looking for buys. Okay, same thing over here. I think the line at the same place. Okay, I'd be looking for price to take out these highs, but for this to remain below the black line. It'd even be okay if it did take it here, as long as it didn't take there, but preferably it doesn't take it here either, so we've got more of a local divergence here as well. So AUDUSD looking to sell in this supply zone somewhere, okay? Hopefully before we come and take out this low, I could be in a sell somewhere in here. Otherwise, we take out the low, wait for a retracement, and sell it off. EURUSD. I just changed the count. Sorry, I did do a video before and I got disturbed and I've just started the video again and I was explaining why I've moved the count because I think I had 3 here, 4 here, and 5 here in purple. Okay, the purple count. I had the 3 purple here. Okay, but obviously this is a 1, 2. Then in here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making 3, making 4, making 5. Makes sense, yeah. Fourth wave comes into the prior fourth wave and gives us an impulsive move up. I mean, it could have been a diag as well because it's a fifth wave. All right, and now I've got potentially 1, 2, 1. We could still be getting a more pronounced 4 and then going higher for fifth to finish. Like I'm talking about fourth wave inside of this. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the prior fourth. Look, so basically, maybe this. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so in here I can count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, giving us that 3, internal 3, then 4, then these are all smaller. That's a 4, that's a 4, this is a 4, it's getting bigger, yeah? Because I think in 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 type of behavior, and this is where you get your divergences as well. Okay, and you can see we're diverging as it's coming, as price is moving higher, TDI is going lower. Okay, same thing for this. Okay, now this it can just break this low. If it does just break this low, looking for a retrace, take it down. Problem, only thing, and it does, it might, price action is king, structure is king. Okay, that's for sure. But one thing I will say is, even if we take this low right now, If price came down and took this low right now, I wouldn't sell it. I need you to come and take these relative equal highs you've created. I can't, it's too much, too often. Even when I see this on a 1 minute, I see price come back and get these, okay? So definitely, I'm not a seller before that gets taken out. And for me, this needs to get taken out anyway. As you can see, that's where my 3 is. So that's my count. This is me. This is how I'm feeling about Euro USD, okay? Looking for price to come into this area, one of the whatever, come into this area. I don't expect the low to get taken yet. I expect to go higher, then come back and take this low after that. That low I'm talking about is this low in red. When that breaks, bearish. Okay. But if that breaks and they ain't swiped these highs yet, I'm bullish and then bearish. I'll be bullish, take out this high, then I'll be bearish. GBPUSD. That GBPUSD. Okay, now this was where I was a bit. We got what we was looking for. By the way, remember I kept saying now this box, we're coming to see this box in the previous videos. Watch them, please. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Inside the purple 3, 1, 2, 3. Inside of it, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This third wave did not come into the price territory of the prior one, as you can see. Did not hit the 0.618 fib retracement from the beginning of 2 to 3. Okay, as you can see, it's valid. Okay, it's not the shortest wave, but it's longer than 1. But 5 is the longest wave here. Okay, in green, making the purple 3. Then we get 4, 5, and then we get this. This is the prior 4th wave. This is the 4th wave before that 4th wave. Now for this to work, I'm thinking maybe we've got A, B, C expanded flat. But an expanded flat, the B wave, because this would be A, this would be B, this would be C, cannot extend past the 1.618. And we really went past that 1.618. So I'm thinking, what is this? See, that's 618 taken from potential A. Okay, and as you can see, start of A to the end of A to so I mean that's clearly a 4 and a 5. Got me wondering, has me wondering, could I really be looking at this? I'll be looking at this. But ultimately, the count. I cannot dispute that count. All it is that we've come down, bang, broken this. It looks like we're going down for a 2-wave, basically. Okay, it looks like we're coming down for that 2-wave finally. It's about time. So I'm not fussed if we hit the 886. It would be nice to hit the 886 probably. If we don't hit the 886, see, hitting the 886 will clarify some stuff to me. Well, first of all, confirm that this move we've got coming down is corrective, okay? Or at least confirm that we're going to sooner or later take out this high, okay? Not hitting it means this could be 1, 2, and then we get 3, 4, 5 impulsively to the downside. Either which way, look, bottom line is, and you can see we've come out of this channel, by the way. We've finally come out of this channel, right? See this, how powerful this channel is. Okay, if you just check it. It just drew it from the first one, beginning of 1 to the end of 1 to the end of 2. And it helps us to decide whether to work out whether we're impulsive or not. Okay, now this one's very, like, as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is supposed to be on the way after breaking out of the channel. Sometimes they look like this, okay? but it looks like we was finishing free, okay, on this occasion. But don't forget, this is inside the bigger 1-2 over here. And but if I was to be honest with you as well, that isn't, we don't have the typical freeze on the way type behavior. Okay, we do break out, we do get a 3, so it does work. Let's get rid of this for a second. Comes back into the channel, gives us the 5. Yeah, they did bits, they did well. They did very good, but you can see the power of the channel, right? Couldn't really lose it up here. Came back down, manipulates the highs, comes back down outside it, manipulates the highs, and does the same on the original channel. It's even clearer. Struggled to get out, came back in, nipped the high, smashed the low, came back up into the supply that caused this fractal break of the downside. And yeah, I'm looking for sales on GBPUSD, as you can see. GBPUSD, I'm expecting or anticipating maybe a sweep of this high before going down. So far, we've come down in 1, 2, 3, and I can see that we've got equal high over here. So I would like to see price at least take that out, or take out this high. Okay, if we can take out that high, oh, I'll be happy to sell after we take out this low. So I want that high taken out first, then at least I can sell once we take this low. But to be honest with you, I don't always wait for the breaks, because I could see a distribution up here and be on a 1 minute and see breaks there. So I could be getting in around here. I don't always wait, but if I was to advise, I would say, yeah, most definitely wait for this and wait for the break. Then you can jump in straight away with your stop losses there, or you can wait for a pullback, get in, and then wait for the same behavior and get in right there. Okay, that would be the smartest thing to do. But we got news. It's GBPUSD. No, no, you might not get the pullback. If you got the pullback 100% of the time, then I wouldn't even bother trying to get in these areas. What's the point? I just wait for my pullback. I take the safe trade. Oh, let's have a look at NZDUSD now. Let's start with the 4-hour quickly. NZDUSD, same as AUDUSD. This is corrective. Oh, came back. The news, yeah, the news sometimes makes you want to overanalyze things. Because why would you make it so easy for traders? Oh, we're in the supply zone. You've been there for God knows how long. Yeah, the whole day, even some of Thursday, you've been here. The whole world can see, oh, we're at the supply zone. We've got to break a structure. We're at the supply zone. And we've got news. It just makes me think you're going to somehow swipe the high and then go low. Or go low and then come back and go, I don't know. I don't know. The news makes me make me overthink, but I just don't think. Just looking at this here, I'd be surprised if we just did this. You know, if we just went and did that, I was like, wow, they gave us money today. So I'm struggling to believe that's what's going on right now. But ultimately, like I said on AUDUSD, I ultimately am bullish. Okay, so maybe it is just that's just the move. Maybe we'll manipulate the high, push down, and really push up. But that's AUDUSD and NZDUSD, and that would be going against pound and euro. Because if we're getting a 2 wave on the pound, then I'm expecting price to come out and maybe take it this low as well. Not, yeah, we're gonna have to see. It's Friday. This is Friday. Does this? Friday does this. Yeah, normally, and it's Friday with news. Normally, this it kind of looks straightforward, but right at the news, which is coming in 1 hour, I'm gonna be watching the top. I'll update you lot as soon as we get something a bit some more price movement. All right, trade safe. Do not over leverage. Do not. I wouldn't take heavy positions. If you're gonna take any heavy positions today, at least do it after the news. But remember, Friday is such a manipulative day anyway. They try to trap buyers and sellers over the weekend 90% of the time, if not more. So trade safe, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.